What if the safest city humanity ever built wasn't on Earth, not on Mars, not on the Moon, but hidden inside an asteroid, a massive rock silently flying through space at unimaginable speed? No blue sky above, no ocean stretching to the horizon, no sunrise to mark the beginning of a day, just stone and darkness. And yet, people live there. Not a few explorers, not temporary scientists, but millions of ordinary humans, families, children, entire generations. This sounds like science fiction, the kind you'd expect from a movie or a novel. But it's not. It's one of the most serious ideas scientists, engineers, and space agencies are actively working toward right now. Because the future of humanity may not be built on a planet at all. When you leave Earth, you quickly realize something terrifying. Space doesn't want you there. Radiation never stops. It pours through space non-stop, damaging DNA and slowly killing unprotected cells. Micrometeorites move faster than bullets, capable of puncturing metal like paper. Solar storms can release more energy in minutes than all of human civilization uses in years. One mistake, one exposure, and an entire colony could be lost. Mars looks promising from a distance, but when you look closer, the illusion breaks. Its atmosphere is too thin to protect human life. Radiation on its surface is hundreds of times higher than Earth. There's no global magnetic field to shield it. One powerful solar flare could turn a Martian city into a death trap. Now here's the part most people don't expect. Asteroids already solve these problems. A thick shell of solid rock acts like a natural bunker. It blocks radiation. It absorbs impacts. It shields everything inside from the violence of space. In some ways, living inside an asteroid is safer than standing on the surface of Mars. And asteroids aren't just safe. They're incredibly rich. Many are packed with frozen water, the key to life. Oxygen locked inside minerals, metals like iron, nickel, and platinum, organic compounds that can be turned into fuel, air, and food. Everything a civilization needs, already there. So instead of landing on a planet and constantly fighting its environment, humanity does something smarter, something counterintuitive. We move inside the rock. Autonomous machines arrive first. No humans. No risk. Robotic miners drill deep into the asteroid, carving tunnels and vast chambers from the inside out. The material they remove isn't wasted. It's recycled to strengthen the interior, build habitats, manufacture tools, and expand living space. Slowly, the asteroid transforms. What was once a solid, lifeless stone becomes a hidden world. A network of tunnels, domes, corridors, and cities, all wrapped inside kilometers of natural armor. But one problem remains: gravity. Without gravity, the human body begins to fail. Bones lose density, muscles shrink, the heart weakens, even vision degrades. Long-term life without gravity isn't sustainable, so engineers use something incredibly simple and incredibly clever. Asteroids already rotate. By carefully controlling that rotation, the inside of the asteroid creates artificial gravity through centrifugal force. Not Earth gravity exactly, but close enough. People walk normally, water flows downward, objects fall instead of floating away. From the inside, it doesn't feel like space. It feels familiar. It feels like home. Now imagine living there. There's no natural sunlight inside a rock, so scientists bring the sunlight in. On the surface, massive collectors capture real solar light and channel it through advanced fiber optic systems deep into the interior. Entire neighborhoods glow with real daylight. And in areas too deep for sunlight, artificial suns recreate Earth's natural rhythm. Morning light, afternoon brightness, warm evenings, gentle darkness for sleep. Even seasons are simulated. The human brain stays balanced, the body stays healthy. Water comes directly from the asteroid itself. Ice is melted, purified, recycled endlessly. Every drop reused again and again. Oxygen is extracted from minerals. Carbon dioxide is captured, filtered, and reused by plants. Food is grown vertically, towering farms rising through glowing caverns, plants stacked in layers, algae bioreactors, artificial soil ecosystems. Nothing is wasted. Everything is reused. These cities aren't fragile colonies waiting for resupply. They're closed-loop ecosystems designed to survive for centuries completely on their own. And unlike planets, they can move. Asteroid cities are mobile. They can change orbit, avoid danger, travel between Earth, Mars, and beyond. Some scientists even imagine them as slow-moving interstellar arcs, entire civilizations drifting toward distant stars over thousands of years. Not a spacecraft, a living world. Inside, life feels surprisingly normal. Parks carved into glowing stone, rivers flowing through illuminated tunnels. Markets, schools, cafes, sports arenas. Children grow up without ever seeing an open sky. And yet, they live safer lives than anyone on Earth. No earthquakes, no hurricanes, no asteroid impacts, because they're already inside one. And here's the part that changes everything. Building a city on Mars requires terraforming, constant resupply, and permanent protection from radiation. Building a city inside an asteroid requires engineering and time. No atmosphere to create, no gravity to fight, no planetary surface to protect. That's why many scientists quietly admit something surprising. The first true off-world civilization won't be on Mars. It will be hidden inside a rock. And this isn't a distant dream. Right now, asteroid interiors are being mapped. Mining robots are being tested. Asteroid redirection is already happening. This isn't science fiction, it's engineering on a timeline. Earth is our birthplace, but it's not our final home. So the real question isn't whether we'll build the first city inside an asteroid. The real question is, would you live there? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more future-shaping stories. And tell me in the comments, would you choose Earth or the asteroid?